is the only paper machine producing newsprint in Alberta, and we are one of the fastest and biggest machine in Canada. We producing on an average 750 tons per day of newsprint. We saw the opportunity in power sector, given the power prices and the variability. We saw there was a business case for us to have a power plant on our site.
There are 10 GCM 3416s producing a total of 65 megawatts. They came online November the 1st of 2014. And the guys are running hard, all three refinery lines and the paper machine is, say, we're in around the 125 megawatts. They run hard at night because it's when the power is cheapest. We can fire them all up, get them all up and running, synchronized and on the grid within 7 minutes. If we got one down for maintenance, it takes only one out of the equation, so there's a lot of flexibility in whether we run 5, 6, 9, 10, whatever. It suits the mill well because we have 3 lines of refiners, let's say 30 megawatts each. We can run as many or as few as we need.
Power price here do get very high at times, and one of the reasons we built the power plant was to utilize those high price hours.
We either feed the power into the mill if the demand is in the mill. If the demand is not in the mill, then the power goes out on the grid. So yeah, we use a lot of power.
This plant is a peaker plant. It needs to run on a fairly quickly when we get the dispatch from the power pool. So this plant can go up and down very quickly and a number of times in a day. But this type of plant was the best fit for our need, for our site.
The Caterpillar engines, they worked well with us for the scope of work, what we wanted. They used a lot of the mill specifications. We said, well, we don't want a plant out here that's different from in the mill because of spare parts and our tradesmen. So that went well. And then the people they had on site, construction, we call it the construction management, and the people they had on site from Caterpillar for all the commissioning, they were easy to work with.
The flexibility that CAT brings to our clients is probably one of the aspects in any sale process that makes us most proud of, because we really try to accommodate from the contract negotiation template and commercial terms to technical details. We try to accommodate every single request from our client as opposed to just offering off-the-shelf standard solution.
The big thing that we liked about this is they were fabricated in a module. These things were shipped in here. They had already tested them in Germany for 24 hours. They'd run them. They came fully assembled on these skids. So you basically installed them and then did all your testing, commissioning, and put them online.
The ANC project represented an important addition of the fleet of gensets installed in North America. This is extremely important for increasing our presence, not only in the Alberta market, but in the US.
So there will be more demand for this kind of plant in Alberta. And they are very well suited for industrial site like us. So I'll see more plant like this in the next 15 years in Alberta.
Because as you retire large coal plant, new technologies that are efficient in gas consumption or heat transformation into electricity need to be installed in the grid, and our products fill that gap.
I guess you could say the availability, we usually count things in availability, they're available about 98% of the time. We haven't had a lot of downtime on any of the 10 engines. So.